So, late doon. Sinasabayan niya ako magsalita.
So, ayan guys. Mag-usap lang ako. So, ayan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Partas. Actually, inano na ni Eliza eh. Sinuggest niya na kanina na mag-online kami.
Di nakikinig.
Based sa experience ko nung last year, sabi ko, wala namang pila dun eh. Kaso pala Thursday yon, Friday ngayon.
Surprise. Ang haba ng pila. Bali, ano kami, pang 285.
So, here's our number. 285 and 286. Ang natatawag pa lang, 210.
Good luck.
Pero okay lang kasi nag-enjoy naman kami ngayon.
Oh, wow! So, situation ngayon. Daming tao. So, we're just waiting for the bus. Already na siya. Hindi pa kami aalis. Kumot na kumot. Okay, good night na muna. Bye.
High definition recording only support single screen preview. Hindi mo makita sarili ko.
So, ayun na siya. Ayan na siya. Naantok pa ako. Currently waiting for Stream of Consciousness to open. It's almost 7 a.m. And yes, we need our coffee. Ano ba yan? Oh, pinakita mo yung tawa? Pinakita mo yung dalawa?
Simple smile, the way the moonlight hits your head makes me stand. So take my time and I don't mind, you know I just wanna be there. I wanna be there, be there. Oh, I just want to love you. Even when the stars are red and the moon goes upon me. Hoping you will walk away, walk away, walk away.
So today is Saturday and we're heading back to the beach. So titignan namin kung pwedeng mag-swim kasi malakas yung alon.
Looking at your life, I see there's room for only one. In the party while we dancing, better not be crying when it's all done. It's not what it looks like, it is what it is. You play the fool and don't see how simple simple it is.
How simple it is. Looking at your life, I see there's room for only one. Killing the party while we dance. Better not be crying when it's all done. You think about the friends you have and you.
Hello. Bye.
It's not what it looks like, it is what it is. You play the fool and don't see how simple it is.
It's day 2 in LU and we just kind of woke up. So, sana pwede na mag-swimming ngayon sa beach. But, yeah. We'll see if we can swim. And we're gonna have our brunch first. And then, yeah. Tambay lang kami sa beach.
Sobrang lakas na ng ulan. Sobrang lakas na ng ulan. Puno na naman ng buhangin yung mga ano namin. Mandis. Last na no?
dalawa kasi
Welcome to...
May vlog.
vlogger. Vlogger yun.
Nakakapayat ba to? Di ba pag medyo... ang tawag?
White. Pag malayo, huwag malapit, lalabas lahat ng...
Oo, sobrang
Putong ano eh.
Hi guys, so babatiin ko yung sarili ko ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ali! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me! Thank you, Mokoy!
Wow. So I'm currently in Caribeto. Just waiting for Eric Boyce.
Eyes locked from across the room. Hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air.
My mother's Yana. Yana and her colorful top. So today we're currently here at Gateway Mall to have dinner for my birthday. So hi! Hi! Happy birthday!
Naman di kayo masaya?
Ginagawa na kapatid.
Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory.
Antok.
We are
Mag-work pa.
busog.
I'm very busog.
Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. We touch electric sparks, flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near.